Hi everyone, welcome back to the new video. So in today's video we'll solve LeetCode problem 2621. The problem is called sleep and we've been given an input called millis, which is basically amount of millisecond, and we have to return output, and the output is basically input takes a function, it's an async function, and it should always wait for this amount of millisecond, then only it should resolve the promise. That's the whole problem. So for that, basically they want us to wait for 100 or whatever amount of millisecond. We can use a set timeout function, and in that we can return a result for our promise. So that's how we'll solve the problem. So what I'll do here is I'll first use await keyword, because if it's an async function, you have to use the await, because then that line will execute, then only the next line executes basically. So I'll say await new promise, and inside that I wanna resolve. So resolve is basically, it's like dot then whatever it will return. So it will only resolve, the promise will only resolve using the set timeout function, arrow, it's arrow function. So set timeout, once the set timeout waits for certain amount of millisecond. So I'll say it should only resolve after first it takes resolve whatever I am passing there, and it should always wait for amount of milliseconds. So my double LIS, this millis, that's it. So after I do this, what it will do is basically it will go into set timeout. It will only resolve after waiting this amount of milliseconds. So it's basically sleeping for this amount of millisecond, and then only our promise is resolving. That's the whole function. Now if we run this, it should be working. Yeah, our case got accepted, and that's the whole problem. I hope you liked my way of teaching, and if you want to see other LeetCode problems, then definitely check out my channel and the whole LeetCode playlist. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video.